Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit screen time on YouTube Kids. So if you want to control your child's screen time and ensure they're not spending too much time on YouTube Kids, you can just easily set daily time limits for your child on the YouTube Kids usage. So this will help promote a healthy balance between screen time and other activities. So first, you can just open the Kids app. So before giving giving the apps to your child, you can set the time first by clicking on this lock icon at the bottom. So this is the parents only page, so you need to solve this math problem before you can enter. Just answer it and then tap on submit, and you'll see there's this timer option. So just click on timer and you can just set the time limit. For example, I'm going to go with 1 hour or 60 minutes. Here you can see, so when the time is up, the app will lock, so your children, your kids will not be able to watch the video again. So just tap on start timer and the timer started 60 minutes. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.